Kranthi Bathini is equity strategist at Wealth Mills Securities, joining us with his thoughts on the earnings that came out. Kranthi, good to have you on the show. Thank you very much for your time. How did you look at the numbers and the profitability as well as the path forward?
Yeah, the numbers shown a resilience in the company overall performance of Adani Enterprises. After the Hindenburg bombshell on the company, we have witnessed a market cap erosion of $145 billion. And post that, everybody looking for the Adani Enterprises results and earnings. The company posted a decent set of numbers for the quarter of last financial year. What we can see is there's a kind of overall performance. They're doing extremely good in terms of their incubating businesses and ports and also infrastructure is concerned. So overall, the company come up very well. But the question is how it's going to be sustained over a period of time. That's where everyone's eyes are looking forward for Adani Group overall performance going ahead.
Right. Do you think all the pain and the fallout from the Hindenburg short seller report has been baked into the price?
Yeah, there is a value erosion. And what we can see is going ahead, the prices are factored into their prices. But the sustainability of this kind of momentum is extremely important for Adani Group going ahead. And also sustaining the margins is extremely important going ahead. That's where all the eyes are there right now after the value erosion that came from the Hindenburg report.
Right. Kranthi, I do want to get your sense on which of the businesses that investors should be looking out for as the Adani Group tries to put this mess aside and once again bring the focus back to the bread and butter businesses on the infrastructure side.
Yeah, the first and foremost thing is Adani Enterprises is a flagship company. It has the infrastructure business as well as the incubating many business under the enterprise. And also they have Adani Ports, Adani Green and Power Transmission. These are the various subsidiaries Adani Enterprises operates overall at a group conglomerate and group businesses are concerned. So the eyes are always on Adani Ports where it offers a good amount of value for the investors and also the businesses which they entered into cement businesses in last year. Okay, these are the businesses the investors are looking forward and they can see the value in these businesses. But overall, the flagship company, Adani Enterprises, is also extremely important because of the airports and the mining and other incubating businesses are concerned. So there are some pockets where the value lies and the Adani Group overall, they're repaying the debt right now and trying to regain the confidence of investors. That's what the company has been doing after the Hindenburg bombshell report.
Yeah. No, I'm looking at the year-to-date performance, and obviously Adani Green as well as Adani Ports have been hit quite hard. Adani Green Energy particularly down 51%, Adani Power down 20%, Adani Transmission, and obviously the index company Adani Enterprises is also down 50%. On Adani Ports, they're also, I guess the question with the group companies is cash flows, right? And we were reading a report from Reuters on how Adani Ports is looking to sell its Myanmar port for a discounted price. What about monetization efforts for repayment of debt dues to put them on track to then, start using cash flows for growth and reinvestment?
Yeah, it is a double-edged sword. One hand, they need to maintain the debt because these businesses need a lot of capital because of the infrastructure model they are into. And also repaying the debt on the other hand. The company has been rising debt on another hand and also repaying the debt. That's what they have been managing at this moment. Coming to Adani Ports, there is a deep value and there is a lot of interest is buying for Adani Ports business is concerned. This is just sending the Myanmar is just Myanmar port is just one of the business event for them. But overall, the business is in line and their cash flows are extremely good at this point of time because they operates one of the best ports in India and also they are the largest port operator in India.
No, but on the cash flow situation, Kranthi, what is your expectation? How much would cash flows improve given that this report, this Hindenburg report, really hit investor confidence? And for a large part, the whole cycle works with them being able to raise funds from the markets, invest in their businesses, generate cash flows, and then look at repayments. So I want to understand how that cycle works and where they are in that cycle, and what is your projection on that front?
Yeah, coming to their cash flows are concerned, cash flows after the Hindenburg report also, cash flows have not impacted anywhere significantly for the company. In fact, the company has been good at in terms of their internal accruals as the matter is concerned. And they have been prepaying the debt. Okay, there are nearly 35,000 crores, which translates to around $4 billion cash is there on their books. So they're well capitalized in terms of repaying the debt, and also the total debt comes around $23 billion, and at the group level they have a EBITDA of $5 to $6 billion. So they're at a cash flow front. They're comfortable in terms of reaching their debt obligation at this point of time.
For $23 billion, you think $5-6 billion at the group level EBIT is enough?
Yeah, because the debt over a period of time, okay, and out of the $23 billion, okay, they have spent around 1,50,000 rupees, which translates to around $15 to $16 billion in terms of the acquiring different assets. And these assets are cash-rich assets, which can deliver further EBITDA for the group. So in terms of the debt servicing is concerned, okay, they're at a very comfortable situation going ahead. But how
Kranthi,
they're going to maintain...
Yeah, Kranthi, they always say that never let a crisis go waste. So out of all the sold down businesses, which one do you like the most?
Yeah, the ports offers a very good amount of deep value, and their cement business also offers a deep value for the investors. And one can look at Adani Enterprises because of the data center business, which is a new business, and the new energy hydro business also offers a deep value over a period of time for the long-term investors are concerned.
Yeah, institutional investors, of course, coming back. GQG Partners has taken a big position in the business as it tries to recover from this, from the fallout, of course, of the Hindenburg report. Thanks very much for joining us, Kranthi, with your thoughts on Adani Group's earnings.